Yes, I want to be the first person to encourage you in these difficult and hard times. I will always stand there in the gap and pray for you and let you know that the God that we are serving has never disappointed anyone yet. Your faith is going to lift you up in this situation. And therefore, I should also be the first person to invite you to this faith convention we are having from the 6th, 7th, 8th, and 10th of July. That is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Sunday shall be the grand finale. The person going to speak to us is a dynamic, anointed man of God. His name is Reverend Sam Korankye Ankrah. He is the Apostle General for the Royal House Chapel International, Ghana, and other places of this world. So I would like you to save those days and don't miss one night, because these nights are going to be life transforming. The heavens are going to be opened for you. So you want to be encouraged and prepare yourself and come with all people that you know. Come with your friends and family, because God is about to do some great things for his children, and I want to be part of it. God bless you, and I will see you there. Amen.